Lowman Student Center is a great place to study, eat, relax, and hold meetings and events. We are so excited to showcase the new updates and renovations our student union has undergone. When you first enter the LSC through the front doors, you will find the Information Center, where our friendly staff will answer any questions you may have about the center, campus, or resources. The LSC is home to many student affairs departmental offices, such as student activities, the Dean of Students, and leadership initiatives. The LSC is home to the campus bookstore, the premier destination for Bearcat merchandise, apparel, gifts, and books for classes. Located near the bookstore is our art display, which has comfortable places to sit and study and socialize while enjoying the featured artwork. Another great place for students to gather is the Collab Lounge, that features technology that allows students to connect devices and collaborate with peers. Right across from the Collab Lounge is our Orange Ballroom. This event space is great for large events and offers state-of-the-art technology, including professional lighting and sound equipment. On our ground level, you will find our White Ballroom, a multi-purpose space that has undergone upgrades including new floors, an updated ceiling, and high-tech acoustic paneling. Another upgrade is the Mother's Room, a beautiful, relaxing space for students, staff, and guests to breastfeed on campus and attend to their child's needs. On the first floor is our Paw Print Food Court. This is a convenient place to grab a bite to eat at one of our food vendors like Panda Express, Subway, Chick-fil-A, Steak and Shake, or Oath Pizza, and a full-service Starbucks. The newly built atrium overlooks the food court and offers areas to eat, relax, and meet with friends while enjoying the beautiful Texas sunlight coming through the windows. Another recent renovation to our student union is the relocation of the Cat Club. Featuring a bowling alley, billiards tables, game room, and more lounge areas, this is an excellent destination for socializing, relaxing, and holding events. Located just next to the Cat Club is the Three Horse Tavern, a gathering place where you can enjoy an alcoholic beverage and meet with friends. Along with all of these great spaces to relax and socialize in, the Lowman Student Center offers a variety of rooms for events and meetings, which can be booked by visiting our main office on our third floor, where our staff work together to offer our guests a dynamic student union that combines comfort, style, accessibility, and technology to create an environment that builds community, fosters diversity and unity, and encourages collaboration to inspire positive change.
This is the brand new entrance to our student union building. This is the University Center, built in 1986, and right here is our brand new 8,000 square foot gateway to campus. This project cost a whopping $9.5 million. However, it was a much needed upgrade from the entrance that we used to have. This right here is the Bluebonnet Ballroom and the Rosebud Theater. These are our most commonly used event spaces. However, due to COVID, we have converted them into classroom spaces.
Hi, I'm Lily and I'm the lead student union ambassador. Hi, I'm Brooke, and I'm the Residence Hall Community Lead.
Hi, I'm Nathan, and I'm the K-State Community Lead.
Hi, I'm Michaela. I'm the Fraternity and Sorority Life Lead.
Originally built in 1956, the Union has had two expansions in 1963 and 1970. The building was renovated between 1995 and 1998, and a second renovation was completed in 2017.
Union Courtyard is a student favorite for gatherings and events, and it screams Wildcat pride with the inlaid Power Cat. Here, there are various events that take place, such as the freshman orientation, concerts, and much more. And it could hold the pride of Wildcat Land, the K-State Marching Band.
The Bluemont Room was home to the Bluemont Buffet and served the campus for many years as a faculty dining facility. The recent renovation has transformed the space into one of the most popular large meeting spaces in the building. The windows overlooking Bosco Plaza make the room warm and inviting. Many student organizations, including ours, has used it to hold meetings and retreats throughout the year.
New lounges were added with a variety of comfortable seating for study space and small group gatherings and was a top request of students for the 2015 through 2017 renovation. My favorite is the fireplace lounge because it is so cozy.
A sports pub concept was another feature students wanted to have in the K-State Student Union. Union Station by JP's features booth, table, and bar seating, decked out with the official K-State tartan. A great atmosphere for an open mic night, trivia night, or to watch the game. Union Station is run by K-State Housing and Dining and features locally sourced meat and dairy products from the College of Ag and bread products from the K-State Grain Science Department.
We hope you've enjoyed this quick look into the heart of our campus, the K-State Student Union. For more information about our favorite place, please visit union.k-state.edu.
Mm-hmm.